Ki khubor ka batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
नहीं चलेगी 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 we want justice 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 चोर है बच्चोर है चोर है बच्चोर है प्रशासन चोर है बच्चोर है चोर है बच्चोर है we want
Samla Pule Doktor hapuk ke North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy Medical College Modiang Diang Shillong ke bidang Pule postgraduate ke penlong de gejing Shah Thngan baklam putsngi hadi gejing Shah syukur haki bor penyat juga college ke bla kular ban siuno ek stipend ke bla pensateng lash pho banai kinthi Kejing mamiwa jagi Samla Pule ke stipend ke labu jing eki ben penbit penbiang ye gejing dan kam ke man lakasngi Kumancu bentip hang ni ke Samla Pule kelas dang ban ut banam halor kejing mamiyo ek stipend nadu ka apply trik uno apra ara cara pholai dai namar kejing lek menti jagi bor penyat hakis pho trik unai lur ara cara phosau ke Samla Pule ke penlong de kejing ki Shah Thngan haplau jang jaka Pule daga bosong kelan mongor harengkat kejing tho haki plakan Hadi ngeni kejing ki bor penyat ke lapan por kumar bena AA ban pen urlong kejing dawa ke jongki reward hadi kejing pensenge kejing ki bor penyat klesus ngap jar klam le AA Hagar ke sengi ke khot jang ke SU Neiah unit ru klelit ban ai jing Shah ni ke Samla Pule postgraduate first batch ke penlong ke jing Shah Thngan bat pertaru de ke sur ban pendram ye ki bor penyat
यहाँ पे हम लोग बाहर से आए हैं पूरा देश से आए हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे लोकल पीपल हम लोग इसका हेल्प किया है हमारा प्रशासन हम लोग नहीं समझ रहा है तो बोलिए We are not only merely sitting over here. You all are the fighters. You all have already gone through all the.
That's why no institute intervenes as per in PG.
First thing, and actually we had a talk here with like our faculty members only. Faculty said that they had a message to convey to us from the director side that the same thing they have said. Yesterday we had a talk with director also. He said ki we are trying hard to get your stipend and affiliation, but it is uncertain still. So since the last protest in the September, they said ki we are trying to get your stipend, we are trying to get your affiliation, but still after the reassurance of the 2 months, we are not getting our stipend. So yesterday also he said the same thing. Today also by sending the faculties, he said the same thing. And we want ki at least they can give our stipend today till today November from since last 2023. But they are not giving a stipend. The stipend, we will stop our hunger strike, but we will continue doing our protest because we are not getting affiliated yet, and they are saying who is not in our hand, it is still uncertain. तो हम स्ट्राइक कंटिन्यू रखेंगे. आज के लिए तो हंगर स्ट्राइक है. अगर हमें स्टाइपेंड मिल जाता है तो फिर हम हंगर स्ट्राइक तोड़ के प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे. प्रोटेस्ट कंटिन्यू रहेगा और आप लोगों का सपोर्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप लोग यहाँ हैं, इसके लिए आज इतनी चीजें हो रही हैं. ऐसी फैसिलिटीज है जो आप लोगों को पता हो या ना हो, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो गाइड नहीं है, एकेडमिक प्रॉब्लम्स भी बहुत है, वो भी नहीं हो रही है, उसके लिए भी हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। तो ये इस कॉलेज की हिस्ट्री में है हमेशा से, तो हमें ऐसे आवाज उठानी पड़ती है और सब साथ रहेंगे तो ये चीजें सॉल्व हो जाएगी। आज आप लोगों के प्रेजेंस से ही है कि सब आ रहे हैं, सब पूछ रहे हैं क्या हुआ है। पिछले 48 घंटे से हमें कोई देखने वाला नहीं था। सो तुम लोगों को बहुत थैंक यू एंड सब अच्छे से रहो, अपना ध्यान रखो।
Cheating in education is a crime. See, only the crime and cheating, these two things are being going on here. Where is the education? They are serving since 1 year. They are serving since 1 year, and they are not sure their registration in the MD has been done or not. They are being assured that it will be. Now think they have now MD course 3 years, and if they have to complete in the 4 years, how it will be looking like that? 4 years, 1 year of life. Serving whole day and night, they are not getting their stipend. 1 year. How can you survive? If let us suppose if for the 1 month your parents are not sending the basic expenditure that you are doing, what will be going with you? And they are doing so with 1 year. At the same time, they don't have any guide in the MD, and they are doing their PG. Tomorrow, next year, the new batch will come. The same will be repeating. Today they are 8 in number. Tomorrow there will be more in number suffering. Do you want to be that? No. Do you want to be the part of that struggle? No. So you are standing here, you are sitting here, you are protesting here to destroy that cheating, corruption and the crime. Because if you will be not fighting, you will be not raising your voice, it will always be subsided by the people who have the power. But if they have power, they should do in a very thoughtful manner. They should do in a proper way. They should channelize. They should strengthen the administration. But why they are not doing so? If they have any problem, they should tell us so that we are very much aware. If they have any problem, they should tell us. We will do, and we will go and talk to other people. We will talk to the authority above them. Why you guys are not providing them? So the matter is, we are not here to be protesting. Our purpose here is to study, to be a better doctor, to serve the society. But we are not doing that one because of all these things. So if you want to serve the society, if you want to be a good doctor for them, if you want to solve the problems of the patient, if you want to cure them, you should be in a very harmonious way. You should be in a healthy way. You should be mentally, socially and physically healthy. Now they are suffering. They are suffering all these things. They are not mentally healthy. They are not socially healthy. They are not emotionally healthy. Every dimension of their health is being crushed, and everything is being ignored.
No woodward kat bakala nakabantaban long scam kanika PGC jong iha kanika college. Namar kamdi tang nakabanta ka jongki kadai ka banta ka lawi ka jong iru. Te ka stipend ru kidi ban penyo no menta kasngi kenang ban la ban sange no ya kanika hanga strike. Ya ka strike nakabanta jong ka affiliation te kadang yad renti bet tang ba ka anda layo ya ka stipend menta kasngi ngidawa ban baka college kan aya ka stipend menta kasngi but ba ka hanga strike kan sange hadin bala aya ka stipend but ban aya ki guide ru ki ba la ban ya lambat ki ba la ban pencaya ka career ka jongki.
We started the hunger strike since 26th of November. It's the third day that we are on hunger strike, and our institution is so careless that nobody is here. The head of the institute or the in charge, nobody is here right now to look after. They just left for their maybe official works or whatever, but they are so irresponsible that in spite of doing more than 48 hours of hunger strike, and despite of negotiating or discussing with us the topics, they just left us in this situation, in this. That's, I think, to tell you the issue why we are on hunger strike. Since 1 year, we got admitted in PG, MD Homeopathy in 2023, December. So now December 24 is coming. So you can see since 1 year we haven't got even our first like monthly stipend. Not even a single monthly stipend we haven't got. Then the second issue is slowly after after asking the administration and everything, we got to know that this college is not affiliated yet for the PG curriculum to any university. They, when we were taking admission, in the papers, in the forms, in the prospectus, everywhere they claimed that it is affiliated to Nihu, but there is no proof, no written documents to assure that it is it is affiliated to Nihu. So that is our main concern, because doing a course without any degree, without any university, they are just doing a scam with us. So these two blunder, it happened over a 1 year, and that's why we are forced. Before also we did in September 2024. No, we did one strike. Uh, Same concern, for the same concern. And that time the director in charge, he assured verbally only that it is everything is under process, and he asked us to wait and give them time. So since we have been patiently waiting for 5-6 months, so we thought, okay, in 1-2 months if the matters are solved, so we will wait. But he asked us to wait till November. You can see the till November last week, nothing was happened. Not even a single thing, a single issue was solved. It is at the same place. So that's why we were like, we were not, our demands are fulfilled, we are not going to dissolve the protest hunger strike. At least he should be here, at least any in charge of this whole institute, big institute, should be there to talk to us. You can see, you can check from the records, you can ask the staff of administration why nobody is the in charge. How can they left a college, institute like that? When there is a crisis in the institute, the student has been sitting for past 2 months, past 2 days on the hunger strike. So that I am like, we 8 PGDs, until unless our demands are at least, if not fulfilled, they should give a written assurance that it will be fulfilled by this. They should give one particular time that it should be fulfilled. Then only we will stop this protest. We have given at least 25 applications since the month of April 2024. After joining, when within 3-4 months our stipend was not sanctioned, then we wrote one application in first application in April. Then following that, every month we wrote 1-2 letters, and we verbally also we always had talked then to the then director. She said, she sometimes she said, okay, it is there, one step more, one step more. She actually misguided us. So we were like, if the director of the institute is saying, we trusted her, but she backfired. There was no, she only misleaded us. There was no practical thing or the paperwork done. And yeah, we have done almost till date. Today also we have given one more applications regarding other issues. So since the month of April till the month of April, we are giving applications only, not only to institute. We have informed before the protest to the MP of the Meghalaya. We have given memorandum to the governor of the institute, governor of the state, twice, I think. Even the governor knows our issue, and we have approached our ministry. This college is directly under the Ministry of Ayush. We have approached there. We have posted letters there also. We have posted mails also. From our side, on the even social media also, we tried our best. From our side, we tried so hard to reach or to the to the concerned authorities, but we never got any positive results out of that. That's why we were forced to sit on the hunger strike, because despite of talking so like giving so much documents, asking email, anything, we didn't get any positive response. At last, that's why we are here.
Juman jungi nak liang ka kesu ni net kan ba kini kena pule jong ni ka dong thani borok ko yang ni ka singi long ban ai ka more support gini kena pg baisong lagi sak Thngan mata ka bala lai singi tan adu menci singi halo kimat dawa juki lightly kimat ta kamat meningkong ka dik stipend ko bar ka dik affiliation affiliation ko menta class system kan mayo kani ka bu jing e ki om tang ki ne ka bu jing e ru ngi kena sama puli jong ni ka dong thani borok ko pagkabalay ka dik ta ka jimbang biang gigay ni supervisor Right, niru nak kalian jong keseng, gidan lagi jong isu, nila shu epek ngai kemi, but nim sulap mencu sengap, but kadi kekulok ke pasai, ya ke sekolah ni ya, kadi mesti jong sekolah ni ya, bakumju yo ya ke soka Delhi, balada kadang kuman, kadang menti, nyihi nak kalian keseng, minum song klikti, but ingin sarai, but hakinik singi sarai, but ingin salik ke bedengkam hakinik singi, ya ke bansawan, kastepet kadi halor, sisna mentai kelempat yo, lalu araja fly adu ni ajar pesau kelempat yo. Stipend ke jongki. Kini kita tangkap postgraduate.